Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your Wyze Robot Vacuum. Before we get started, you'll want to make sure that you have a waste bin close by, a soft cleaning cloth, and a handheld vacuum if you have one. To begin, use the rag to clean the lid. I suggest using a soft cleaning cloth to avoid getting the glossy finish scratched. Now open the lid and remove the cleaning tool, as we'll need this to clean out the Hepa filter and cut any hair that's wrapped around the main brush. Next, remove the dustbin and open up the container with a firm grip and dump the debris into the waste bin. Using the handheld vacuum or rag, clean up the debris that's left behind. Now remove the filter from the waste bin and use a clean brush to brush out the dust out of the filter. If your filter is still dirty after using the brush, you can gently rinse the filter under water and reinsert it after it's fully dried. Still using the brush, use it to clean the remainder of the debris from the bin. And make sure that you clean the mesh that separates the filter from the bin. Put the filter back into the dustbin and then reinsert it back into the vacuum. Flipping over the vacuum. First, remove the side brush by pulling up and remove any tangled hair that's caught in it. Next, to clean the center brush, you're going to need to press the two blue tabs to remove the brush cover. Then take out the center brush and get rid of any threads or hairs wrapped around the brush. For any difficult tangles, you can use the cutters located on the brush tool to assist. On the sides of the brush, you won't be able to remove the connectors, so you may need to improvise to get the tangled hair removed. Once the brush is all cleaned up, wipe down the brush compartment and reinsert the brush and the cover. Now all that's left is to clean the cliff sensors with the soft cloth. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.